How to create a Weverse account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Weverse account. So let us begin. First, make sure that you've installed the app. You can download it from Google Play Store or App Store. So after you install it, open it up. And after you open it, you'll simply need to type in the join/login option. So after you tap on join/login, here you will need to enter your email address. So enter your email address here. And after you enter your email address, simply tap on continue with this email. Now Weverse will notice that your email does not have an account. So it will give you an option to sign up now. Tap on sign up now. And all you now need to do is enter your password. So after you type in the password, simply tap on next and it will give you a nickname. Now you can change the nickname if you want, or just tap on next if you like the nickname. Now you will need to accept to the terms and conditions of Weverse. Now select I agree and tap on next. Now simply tap on OK and then go back to login page. So here you will need to verify your email. So I just got an email. So let me head over to my email, and in this email, tap on verify email. So as you'll get a successfully joined Weverse message, you can now get back into your Weverse and then continue with this email. Now type in your password. And after you type in your password, tap on login and you'll get logged into your Weverse account. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can create a Weverse account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.